Now here, these two bongo-looking drums, we call this the Pa'u Mango. Pa'u Mango. Pa'u means drums. Mango means shark. Why we call these drums the shark drum is because this part on the top, we normally use shark skin. But this one, what's this one?
Goat skin.
Goat skin. Goat skin. How come we got goat skin?
Easier to catch. Doesn't bite that. Nice to eat.
Nice to eat, yes. Did you guys try the curry? Ladies and gentlemen, on the Pomo, we've got TJ. Now here we have the bass drum, and the purpose of the pa'u is to lead the speed of the beat, not only important for the drummers, but also for the dancers. And on the pa'u, ladies and gentlemen, we have Kura. The drums of the Gugalas from the Korelo Maori. Just to let you know, about 5 years ago, our team, we came third in the finals of the annual drumming competition of the Gugalas. Third in the finals. Give us another hand. We also want to let you know, we don't really want to let you know, but we have to let you know that particular year there were only 3 finalists. From countries where sometimes during the year you get that white stuff fall out of the sky. Welcome to our winter here in the Gugalas. You know, when it comes to summer, it does get warm. The highest temperature I've known for the Rarotonga to be hot, the highest temperature, I think about 31, 32. Not that high, but very, very muggy. You know, a lot of water in the air, and you start sweating, and when you sweat, you seriously start sweating. And we know, when we start sweating, we know that you're boiling out there when it comes to summer. Nevertheless, we have mastered the art of staying cool, even in the hottest of conditions, and still look dressed. We wear what is called a pareo. And that's the material that is used for sewing the shirts that we're wearing and the dresses for the women. And these pareo materials, you can purchase them from most of the shops in town. And they come in 1.8, 2 meter lengths. And tonight, first of all, for you girls, we're going to have some of our ladies show you some basic ways of tying this lovely material. And please, to begin with, please welcome on stage, Anna. Technique that Anna is going to show you. She has chosen this lovely bird of paradise design pareo. So the first one she's going to do is a simple wrap around of the pareo. Wrap the pareo at the top, meet the corners in the front, go back a little bit from the corners, make a knot. You tie that knot twice for extra security. Another 2 ends that's hanging down. You tuck one end in, wrap the other one on the outside, and voila! We're ready to walk around town. Beams of air conditioning, no safety pins, nice and cool. This is also my favorite tie on my wife. Very easy two ends so that you're able to tie a knot at the back of the neck. And then you do the tucking thing just to prevent that embarrassing moment when you get a bit of a breeze and you're ready to go collect shells on the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause for Anna. And at this time, we'd like to welcome on stage Paula. Now, as you are walking on the beach collecting shells and admiring the sunset, a young man, young Cook Islander, invites you to be his partner to accompany him to his grandmother's 70th birthday. But you don't have any time to go back to the hotel to get changed. So, holding one corner of the patio with your right hand over the right shoulder, see the patio wrapped from the back, continue wrapping the rest of the patio around the front, keep going around the back, trying to locate that other corner. Then you meet those two ends over the right shoulder and you make a knot. And you are ready for an instant date with an instant dress with an instant Cook Islander to go to an instant 70th birthday. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big hand for Paula. And now, introducing a former champion dancer of the Cook Islands from the island of Aitutaki. Please welcome on stage, and also second runner in the Miss Cook Islands pageant. Welcome on stage, accompanied by George Wirami. Imagine yourself lying around the swimming pool area at the hotel, getting a tan, and then you want to walk to the bar and get yourself a drink, but you want to cover yourself up a little bit. Take the short end of the paddle, make a knot at the back of the neck. You do the first knot loosely, and the second knot securely. Go down about halfway, pull the rest of the paddle up so you don't drag it on the ground. Grab it around the back, twist it to the side, make a knot. And as you can see at the back, on your back, still with the suntan lotion, it's not disturbed by the paddle. Ready to go grab your drink at the bar. And while you are at the bar, the activities director comes up with the activity which is to teach you Cook Islands dancing. Not a problem. Fold the paddle in half, like so, lengthwise. Wrap that paddle around your hips. You make a knot on the left or the right. And you need to tie that knot twice. Tie it securely. And you are ready for a few touch. Of course, the show is not complete without our Tane, and here he comes.